Hey y'all, ooh, that lighting is on point. So we're at the Namiki farm. Y'all, I get to see a horse in real life. I'm probably gonna cry. I mean, I seen one before, but I never petted one before. So yeah, I get to pet a horse in real life. I hope they got llamas here. I love llamas, y'all. I want to be one in life. But y'all seen that title? Please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all, oh my God, it's real life horses out here, y'all. I could just fall over. And they like small too. They ain't that big. Oh my God. Yo. People looking at me like I'm crazy. Oh my God. Oh my God. We don't have this in Florida. We don't have this here. Oh my God, guys. I was scared to touch him. He probably might bite me. I'm nervous. That's horses. That's horses. Hi. There you go, go. I got it like I'm playing it first. Hold on. Look it down. Okay, y'all ready? Can you try again? Y'all look, y'all, it let me pet it. It let me pet it. Uh-oh. Okay, he getting upset. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, friend. I'm sorry. I ain't trying to interrupt you.
Go a little closer.
Girl, that thing bite me. I ain't. You have to.
Oh, he twitching.
You gotta turn it around.
I wish I could hold him. Not hold him. What? Touch him. Oh, I think he got.
I just want to be your friend.
Okay, now take a picture. Friend back there on his own goddamn world. He don't want to be bothered.
He acting antisocial today, girl. He doing too much. Period. Look at him. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. No, you don't want to be on record. They spit, girl. They spit. Remember?
I don't give a fuck. Look.
Look, y'all. My energy is like up here. Because if anybody know me, they know that I love llamas. I'm about to go across this goddamn fence to be over there with them because I love llamas. Hi! Hi! Oh my God! Oh my God! Yo, it's a llama. I'm gonna go.
Do the sound.
You're moving your ears, friend. What's going on? What's going on, friend? I'm gonna get, if I touch that bitch and he, girl, I'm gonna have to two pieces motherfucking llama.
Bink. You think he wants some grass? Go in front of him. Come on this way. Oh. Did he get the spitting, Lord?
I just want.
He look like he ready. What's that? Alpacas that spit. Which one to spit?
Llamas.
He had
He ain't based that friend did not base it.
Ooh. No. Okay.
At this point, I waited to get here to this farm to see this goddamn llamas, right? And this brown piece of shit spit at me. Bitch, I know you fucking lying. I mean, I'm over there, friend. Hey, friend. I'm friending, friend. Bitch, friend don't want to take a picture, want to cooperate. He keep on giving me the goddamn side eye. And girl, as soon as I get ready to take a goddamn picture, I'm like, fuck the video. I'm finna take a picture. This bitch turn around and ooh, girl, ooh, I almost two-pieced that bitch. But I was so goddamn scared, I couldn't even two-piece his hair. chilling, cooling. You know me. Okay.
Be my niggas, we like brothers, blind through the winter, shine through the summer, loyalty, where we honor royalty, we get income, different mama, different dad, we stay down when they got bad, place together to make them mad, if a nigga play, we gon' do him bad, cause blood couldn't make us any